stop scrolling. This message is not random, and this moment is not by chance. If something pulled you to listen right now, it's because heaven is calling your attention. Behind what your eyes can see and beyond what your mind understands, the court of heaven has been in session about your life. Every delay, every closed door, every season where nothing seemed to move, all of it was being reviewed, and now the gavel has fallen. For a long time, you may have felt pressure on every side, questioned, accused, misunderstood, and drained. You prayed but waited. You worked but struggled. You believed but wondered if heaven heard you. Heaven heard everything. Today, the judge of the universe has issued a final ruling. Case closed, in your favor. This is not just a win, this is not just relief. This is a settlement. There is a difference between winning a battle and receiving a settlement. A victory ends the fight, but a settlement restores what was lost during the fight. God has not only cleared your name, He has authorized compensation. Compensation for the time you waited. Compensation for the tears you hid. Compensation for what was taken unfairly. Nothing was overlooked. Nothing was forgotten. Every tear was recorded. Every prayer was heard. Every silent sacrifice was counted. Now heaven says, enough. What drained you will begin to refill. What was blocked will begin to flow. What was delayed will arrive suddenly. You are stepping into a season that will not make sense to people watching from the outside. They did not see the trial. They did not hear the accusations. They were not in the courtroom, but heaven was. Heaven saw the nights you stayed strong when quitting felt easier. Heaven saw the moments you chose faith when fear made more sense. Heaven saw you keep going when nothing around you changed, and that obedience did not go unnoticed. The settlement check has already been released in the spiritual realm. This is why doors will open without explanation. This is why help will come from unexpected places. This is why peace will replace the anxiety you carried for too long. You may not see everything change at once, but you will feel the shift. You will notice the pressure lifting. You will notice clarity returning. You will notice strength coming back to you. This does not mean challenges will never come again. It means the verdict has changed. It means you are no longer fighting from a place of loss. You are moving forward from a place of authority. No more endless waiting. No more constant defense. No more fighting battles you did not start. The gavel has fallen. The ruling is final. And the court of heaven has ruled for you. So when things begin to shift, do not doubt it. Do not overthink it. Do not question whether you deserve it. Receive it. Because this season is no longer about survival. It is about restoration. Restoration of peace. Restoration of confidence. Restoration of what was delayed, denied, or taken. And the settlement heaven released was written in your name long before you ever needed it.